Hi there, how are you doing? So, I poured a first time in front of you, and I said if it's gonna be fiasco, I will show you. It's not a bad, this is a bloom that we made. I made a short video, but I will pour over it because even though it's opening now with those cells, middle starting to be a little bit more open, I will show you. I will pour over this and I will make a new pour. Again, with the Funel, I want to try to get a lighter shade of it. So we still have this paint here. It's getting a lot of cells now, but I don't like the middle. It's too dark for me. So we should pour another pour, and I will try to do it with the. I will try to do this with the, again with the Funel. I would like to get a nice flower, nice bloom, because I'm not so satisfied with this one. I will move this like this. Let me mix this white. Okay. Now I should move this differently that I have to be close to this, that I may see where I'm pouring. Now it's starting to be more blue, because it seems that blue is pushing out, so I really don't know, should I let it be, because there is a lot of reaction here and it's changing every second, it's changing. No, I will pour over this no matter what. Let's do it like this. I will pour white for the beginning, purple, okay. After that, I could use this turquoise, blue turquoise. Let me check the paint to come down. I have to see where I am pouring this. Okay. I will use now Arctic Blue. Arctic Blue. I will use this ultramarine blue, and I will use this magenta. I need to help it come down. I should use a little bit of white here, or maybe we could use some copper. Why not? Let's drizzle some copper here. Let's drizzle some copper. Some copper here, and now we will add. Should I use this? Why not? Why not? This is a vermilion red, and now I will add magenta. This should go now. I will help it to go down. I need to have this magenta too here. Okay, there you go. Nicely, good. And maybe too much paint, but it doesn't matter. We have to cover all of this. I will use this cerulean blue, a drizzle of cerulean blue. That will be that. We won't use anything else here except that I will add this. Okay, let's see what we will get now. Oh no, 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 it's drizzling all over on a lot of places. So let's play. If it's drizzling, let it drizzling. Let it drizzling. Let it drizzle. If it wants to drizzle, let it drizzle. Let it drizzle. So this is it. So you see drizzling here. We have a lot of drizzle. Okay. I need to cover the holes. I don't want to have empty space with this. Okay. Good. So, we should let it stay for a minute. It looks gorgeous. It looks really gorgeous. Maybe I could do it with a... But where did I put my new one? Let it go like this. I need to use a torch a little bit. Let my torch fall into the paint, and now I have a problem with this. So I will have to go to bring me just a second. I will be back in a second. I'm back. So I should do like this. And I should move a little bit toward here. Yes, this paint will move. A little bit more toward here. Should I blow this? Let's do it. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Good that I had a hand here. But it doesn't matter. It will go anyway from this. Okay. I was already in this part. That's what happened in this part that I had this paint there. And toward here a little bit. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Those were dogs. Those are cats out here. He heard the cat. to do it like this. Even though if it is maybe crazy, it's somehow something dragging me to do this. And I simply need to do this. Look at those beautiful cells, and I just spoiled them doing this, but I don't care. Okay, I should torch this a little bit. Let's spun this. Should I move this to this part? Okay, maybe like this. Let's see. Let's spun this. I use too much CA. That's the worst of all that you can do. And everything you build, you are destroying while doing this, and I need to do this now. I need to do this now. Oh no, I don't want to do that in this part, just like this. I will leave this part. No way I won't touch it. This is when you're doing stupid things. Okay, let's spin this one more time. Did I move canvas? Yes, spinner. Okay, let's do it. I need to spread this. Oh yes, I should move a canvas because this part is already going over the edge. That's good, but I need to move a little bit more, maybe toward here. Like this. Okay, let's spin this now. Let's see on which side is spreading. That we may adjust canvas. It started to go toward this side. Good. I will move a little bit more. Here, canvas. I will pick up this paint. So let's do it. Let me check. It started, yes, it started going. On another side, we need to cover this side a little bit. We will move this a little bit toward here. So let's do it. Let's do it so that everything will be nicely covered. On the other side. Okay, let me see. Where do I have to pick up the paint? For which parts? Let's do it like this. Like this. Let me check those sides. I need to use a torch. We need to spread nicely because we need to get rid of the excess of the paint. Oh no. Lucky me that I may fix this, that I have this paint here. I did such a stupid things. And we need a little bit here to cover this part, you see? That will go over the edge now. That will go over the edge now nicely. I need to move this a little bit more here. I need to move this a little bit more like this. And here more to this side. A little bit this part to be covered, and I need to spread this CA more because I have it too much. I shouldn't add too much. So I'm not a woman of a bloom. I'm not doing blooms. I'm very rarely doing blooms because what I like to do is like this galaxy painting, ring pours and walking ring pours. That is something I really like to do. Even straight pours, split cups. I didn't do a split cup for a long time. I like to do this, by the way. Let's spread this one more time, and I lost those beautiful cells. But again, as I said, that's my mistake. Let me see if this is covered. Yes, this is covered nicely now. Good. That's the most important. That the sides of the canvas are nicely covered. And we need to use a torch. I like this bloom much better because it's a lighter. I will spin this one more time because I think that we still have a little bit more paint than we need, so we need to spin this so I could play like this, you see. I need to play in this part because something's happened here. I don't know what, but this is it. We may do like this on both sides. Let it be interesting. Again, my dog is barking. Okay, that's it. Let's spin this. On the other side, and I think that we spread it enough now. Oh, this is interesting. This color is picking out. One more spin. One more spin. I feel that I need one more spin. The CA is spreading. That's good. It may react when it's not too thick. It may give us beautiful cells. And I should use maybe a gold CA or white here. But I like the Taylor. This is a Taylor one. So, okay, it doesn't go too much over the edges. I should check about the amount of the paint. Okay, like this. We need all the excess of the paint to go out of the canvas, so we don't mind if this paint goes. Just that I had to change this foil because I teared this foil with a palette knife. I will do like this. I will do like this. I will do like this. I can lift this part and I can clean under the canvas, bottom sides of the canvas. I should do like this. Okay. I should use a torch. I should connect those parts somehow. My CA is spreading too much. I should connect those parts somehow. Make them more interesting. Make them more interesting. Okay. This one too, we could do something like this. I don't like the way they were spreading there. So I would do like this. This will be connected. That's for sure. Paint will come here just to press the canvas a little bit. This is a white paint here. This is a white. This has to go. This first background paint, that background paint had a little bit of a wall paint from the last time that I used it. And it's a little bit thicker and it seems that it doesn't go so well with. It doesn't go so well with those paints. Let me check if there is some ugly part maybe too, like this. Okay. What about this part? Like this. Just need to wait a little bit. This will come back. Okay. I think I did everything here. This part, I just saw this part. I don't like it, so I should do something about it, like this. And I don't like this part. This part too, I don't like it. And I'm getting rid of the excess of the paint here. This paint is much thicker. This is a frame here, so we just need a little bit sounds, resonance, and it will cover it. This part, good. I like it now. I like this now. Those are some, this is beautiful. Vermilion is really gorgeous. Vermilion is really gorgeous. I should connect those parts. I should connect those parts like this. Like this. Just a little bit. Okay. Now it seems it looks much better. It looks much better now. It looks much better now. One more spin. Oh yes, I need to check middle. This color is interesting. It's like a sunbee on a flower. Okay, we should use a torch. We should. I didn't wreck a lot. I wrecked just those parts where I had too much of CA, and it spread it like crazy like this when I was spinning. I just wrecked those parts to make them a little bit more nice, if I may say like this. I should spin this one more time. For every case I see that paint is still dripping down, going over the edges. So maybe we need to do one more spin. And we will finish with this. I'm very pleased with this bloom. But again, I'm doing blooms on my way. Oh, I love this. I think that I should do something in this part. I don't know why this part is somehow bothering me, if I may say like this. Should I play toward this part? Like this. I should leave those cells alone. Okay, I played a little bit here. With the help of sound, we will help this paint to move, to cover this. This is a frame here. This is a frame here, so good. Let me see, it looks much better now. Okay, all of this may stay, this part too may stay. There will be maybe Should I leave it like this? Spin one more spin. Still like this. Let's do like this. Let's spin one more time. We're finished with this. I will show you close up. I like much more. I prefer this. Oh, look at the white cell starts showing. I prefer more this one. One more spin. And we're finished with this. We need to torch a little bit. Look at this. We have a new moment here, new cells, new color peeking up. This is one. Wow, I may say this is a nice Funel bloom. It's not a bad at all. It's not a bad at all. One more spin and we are finished. And I'm glad that I added this vermilion because it's beautiful. This will close me. You see, when I wanted to use this, it started with the working. Okay, one more spin and we're finished. Just one more spin. On the other side, on this side this time. Let's check if this will go over the edges some paint or we're finished with this. This is a gorgeous. Let me check. We good. We did it. We just need to clean this edges, side of edges, scrape the edges of the canvas. Something we need to do because we don't want this to drip too much because dripping may cause, it's okay. This is a wall paint and it's drying very quick. It doesn't matter. I will have to change this because tomorrow is a Saturday and Sunday and Monday and I have to go to surgery, so doesn't matter. I will change this anyway. So I will do like this. I will take those cups that I may show you close up because I love it really. I love this flower. This is much better than the first one because this blue is a lighter than this black and I add a lot of black. I shouldn't, but I add a lot of black. I shouldn't, but I did. Just need a little bit to correct this part. Just a little bit to correct this part. Good. What do we have here? Okay. We had something here, but we found it. We need to clean those edges nicely to cover them. Those edges, they will be nicely covered. Good. So I may show you now close up. What's this? Interesting. Okay. We need to add a little bit here and here. Good. We did it. This will drip only in this part a little bit and we are finished. I may show you close up. I need to use one more torch. Let me see. No, it doesn't move. It doesn't move. We need to use, which side should I turn this to show you like this? Should I turn this on this side? Like this. Like this. And like this. Whoa, I love it now. I'm very pleased with this one, but I wasn't pleased with the first one, even though I showed you, as I promised, I won't hide. That was the first attempt, so we tried and we learned something. We know now the way of using Funel for a bloom, that we may make a bloom with this, just that we have to be careful with the layering of paint, and we have to think on the last paint we are adding it there. This is a copper here, brown. That's a copper. Good. I'll show you close up. I love this part with a vermilion. I love this part with vermilion. I'll show you close up now. I'm very pleased. Okay, this is our flower, but you may see it like this. So, let's see part by part. Maybe you will see better like this. If I go from this side, like here, like here. This is a copper here. I love this vermilion. This part with vermilion, I love it. So we are going toward middle. Now we are at the middle of the painting. We are going down. We still need to torch a little bit, but I think that it's a cute. That's a cute flower. And I will see how this is showing to you, this flower. Is the color is so beautiful as it is in live, in person. So this is it. Maybe like this to lift my hand higher. I think it's a cute flower, cute bloom. I'm glad that I poured over that. So this is it. I think it's a gorgeous, but again, it's not polite to sing about your beautiful work loudly, but it doesn't matter. So here we are. I think this bloom is a beautiful, you can't maybe see, I don't know, I will see how this will show it to you on the phone, but this is a really beautiful flower and I'm really pleased. But you see, when you're doing something, you're doing better and better. The practice is most important. The first try was not so bad, but I learned something. So you should try to make a bloom with a Funel. Watch my video and see my mistakes and see this video where I correct my mistake that I made. But I made one mistake. Even though it's not such a horrible mistake, because I just needed to spin more. I layered too much CA, so I needed to spin more than I should if I wouldn't layer so much of CA, but it's okay. CA is spread it, that's the most important. It gives me a cute reaction. I'm really very pleased, and oh, time is flying so quick, and the Monday will here before you say cookies. So wish you all to have a fabulous day or night wherever you are from beautiful Slovenia. Bye bye.